Welcome to Entrepreneurial Edge. Today, we're embarking on a virtual journey to discover the 10 best places to visit in Italy. From ancient ruins to Renaissance masterpieces, Italy offers a diverse tapestry of experiences that will captivate your senses. Andiamo, let's dive into the wonders that await us in Italy. Rome, the Eternal City, is a captivating blend of ancient history and modern vibrancy. As you wander through its bustling streets, you'll find yourself surrounded by centuries of art, culture, and architecture. Imagine standing in the Colosseum, where gladiators once battled, feeling the echoes of the past wash over you. This iconic amphitheater, built nearly 2,000 years ago, is a testament to Rome's enduring legacy. Nearby, Vatican City awaits with its awe-inspiring St. Peter's Basilica, a masterpiece of Renaissance architecture. As you step inside, the grandeur of the basilica's dome and the intricate details of its interior will leave you in awe. The Vatican Museums, home to Michelangelo's Sistine Chapel, offer a journey through centuries of art and history. The Pantheon, with its majestic dome and oculus, stands as a marvel of ancient engineering. And don't forget to toss a coin into the Trevi Fountain, ensuring your return to this magical city. The Spanish Steps, a favorite spot for both locals and tourists, provide a perfect place to relax and take in the vibrant atmosphere of Rome. Climb to the top for a stunning view of the city. Indulge in the city's culinary delights, from traditional pasta dishes like carbonara and cacio e pepe to creamy gelato in a variety of flavors. Rome's food scene is a feast for the senses. Lose yourself in charming neighborhoods like Trastevere, with its ivy-covered buildings and lively trattorias. This bohemian district is perfect for a leisurely stroll, offering a glimpse into the daily life of Romans. Visit the Campo dei Fiori market, bursting with colorful produce and local delicacies. Here you can sample fresh fruits, vegetables, and artisanal products, immersing yourself in the flavors of Rome. Rome is a city that will stay with you long after you've left. Its timeless beauty, rich history, and vibrant culture create an unforgettable experience. So, pack your bags, grab your walking shoes, and get ready to fall in love with the Eternal City. Whether it's your first visit or a return trip, Rome always has something new to discover. Picture yourself driving through the picturesque countryside of Tuscany, where rolling hills are blanketed with vineyards, olive groves, and cypress trees. The landscape is a living painting, with every turn revealing a new masterpiece of nature. The air is filled with the scent of blooming flowers and the distant hum of bees, creating a serene and tranquil atmosphere. Florence, the birthplace of the Renaissance, is a feast for the senses. Its skyline is dominated by the magnificent Duomo, a testament to human ingenuity and artistic brilliance. As you wander through its cobblestone streets, you'll encounter countless works of art and architecture that have stood the test of time. Visit the Duomo, Michelangelo's David, and stroll across the Ponte Vecchio. Each landmark tells a story of a bygone era, inviting you to step back in time and experience the grandeur of the Renaissance. The Duomo's intricate facade and towering dome are awe-inspiring, while Michelangelo's David stands as a symbol of human perfection and artistic achievement. Siena, with its well-preserved medieval center, is another Tuscan gem. The city's narrow streets and historic buildings transport you to a different time, where the past and present coexist harmoniously. The Piazza del Campo, with its unique shell shape, is the heart of Siena and a gathering place for locals and visitors alike. Pisa, home to the iconic Leaning Tower, is a must-see. The tower's unintended tilt has made it one of the most recognizable structures in the world. As you stand before it, you'll marvel at its resilience and the ingenuity of its builders. The surrounding area is filled with historical landmarks and bustling with tourists eager to capture the perfect photo. Tuscany is a region that nourishes the soul. Indulge in its culinary delights and sample the region's renowned wines. From hearty pasta dishes to delicate pastries, the flavors of Tuscany are a celebration of tradition and innovation. Wine tasting in the region's vineyards offers a glimpse into the art of winemaking, where each bottle tells a story of the land and its people. Immerse yourself in the slow pace of life, savoring the simple pleasures of this enchanting region. The villages of Tuscany are filled with friendly locals who welcome you with open arms. Whether you're enjoying a leisurely meal at a local trattoria or simply taking in the scenic views, Tuscany invites you to relax and appreciate the beauty of the moment. Venice, a city built on water, is a place like no other. Imagine gliding along the canals in a gondola, serenaded by a gondolier. St. Mark's Square, the heart of Venice, is a hive of activity. Visit St. Mark's Basilica and climb the Campanile for stunning views. The Grand Canal, Venice's main thoroughfare, is a sight to behold. Escape the crowds and explore Venice's quieter neighborhoods like Dorsoduro and Cannaregio. Venice is a city that appeals to the romantic in all of us. Step back in time at Pompeii, an ancient Roman city frozen in time by the eruption of Mount Vesuvius in 79 AD. Walk down the ancient streets and visit the Forum, the heart of Pompeii's civic life. Explore the House of the Vetii with its beautiful frescoes and intricate mosaics. See the cast of the victims of the eruption, a poignant reminder of the tragedy that unfolded here. Pompeii is a sobering yet fascinating glimpse into the past. After exploring Pompeii, take a trip up Mount Vesuvius and enjoy panoramic views of the Bay of Naples. The Amalfi Coast, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a breathtaking stretch of coastline renowned for its dramatic cliffs and azure waters. Drive along the winding Amalfi Drive, stopping at charming towns like Positano and Amalfi. Ravello, perched high above the coast, offers breathtaking views. The Amalfi Coast is a feast for the senses. Indulge in the region's fresh seafood and flavorful pasta dishes. Hike along the Sentiero degli Dei for stunning views. Relax and soak in the beauty of this magical place. The Amalfi Coast is a destination that will leave you spellbound. Milan, Italy's fashion capital, is a city that pulsates with energy and style. From its bustling streets filled with fashion-forward individuals to its iconic landmarks, Milan is a place where tradition meets innovation. Visit the Duomo, Milan's iconic cathedral, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture that took nearly 6 centuries to complete. Inside, you'll find breathtaking stained glass windows and intricate sculptures. And just a short walk away, you can marvel at Leonardo da Vinci's masterpiece, The Last Supper, a painting that has captivated art lovers for centuries. Experience the grandeur of La Scala, one of the world's most famous opera houses. With its opulent interiors and world-class performances, La Scala is a must-visit for any lover of the arts. The acoustics here are unparalleled, making every performance a memorable experience. Don't miss the Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II, a stunning 19th century shopping arcade. This architectural marvel is not just a place to shop, but a historical landmark. With its glass-domed roof and elegant mosaics, it offers a shopping experience like no other. Here, you can find everything from high-end fashion boutiques to charming cafes. Milan is also a city with a vibrant nightlife. Whether you're looking to dance the night away in a trendy nightclub or enjoy a quiet drink in a cozy bar, Milan has something for everyone. The city's nightlife scene is as diverse as its fashion, offering a range of experiences to suit every taste. Enjoy an aperitivo at one of the city's many bars. This pre-dinner ritual is a quintessential part of Milanese culture. Sip on a refreshing cocktail and savor a variety of delicious snacks as you unwind after a day of exploring the city. It's the perfect way to experience the local lifestyle. Dine at a Michelin-starred restaurant or savor a delicious pizza at a local pizzeria. Milan's culinary scene is as impressive as its fashion, offering a range of dining options to satisfy every palate. From gourmet dishes crafted by world-renowned chefs to simple yet flavorful pizzas, the city's food scene is a feast for the senses. Milan is a city where fashion and art collide in the most spectacular way. From high-end fashion shows that set global trends to vibrant street art that adds color to the city's walls, Milan is a hub of creativity and innovation. Explore its art galleries, attend a fashion show, or simply stroll through its stylish streets to experience the unique blend of fashion and art that defines this incredible city. Cinque Terre, meaning 5 lands, is a string of 5 picturesque villages perched on cliffs overlooking the Ligurian Sea. Monterosso al Mare, Vernazza, Corniglia, Manarola, and Riomaggiore each have their own unique charm. Hike between the villages on the Sentiero Azzurro or Blue Trail, which offers stunning views of the coastline. Take a dip in the crystal-clear waters of the Ligurian Sea. Savor the region's fresh seafood, flavorful pesto, and local wines. Cinque Terre is a destination that will captivate your heart. Sicily, the largest island in the Mediterranean, is a land of contrasts where ancient history meets stunning landscapes and a vibrant culture. Visit the Valley of the Temples near Agrigento and hike to the summit of Mount Etna. Explore Palermo, Sicily's capital, and relax on the beaches of Taormina. Sicily is a culinary paradise. Indulge in the island's fresh seafood, flavorful pasta dishes, and sweet cannoli. Sample the local wines like Nero d'Avola and Marsala. Experience the warmth and hospitality of the Sicilian people. Sicily is an island that will leave you enchanted. Escape to the tranquility of the Italian Lake District, where shimmering lakes are surrounded by snow-capped mountains and charming villages. Lake Garda, Lake Como, and Lake Maggiore each offer their own unique charm. The Italian Lake District is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts. Hike, cycle, or rent a boat to explore the hidden coves and inlets. In the evening, enjoy a delicious meal at a lakeside restaurant, savoring the fresh local ingredients and the breathtaking views. The Italian Lake District is a tranquil escape that will rejuvenate your soul. Naples, a city that pulsates with life, is the heart and soul of southern Italy. Explore the historic center of Naples, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, with its narrow streets, Baroque churches, and lively piazzas. Visit the Duomo, the Archaeological Museum, and the Cappella San Severo. Descend into the underground city of Naples, a network of tunnels and chambers beneath the city streets. Naples is a culinary paradise, renowned for its pizza, pasta, and seafood. Indulge in a classic Neapolitan pizza and savor a plate of spaghetti alle vongole. Naples is a city that will leave you craving for more. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed our virtual journey through Italy's top destinations. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Entrepreneurial Edge for more travel inspiration. See you in the next video.